Alright everyone, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to pair the i11's true wireless earbuds over here to the Samsung Galaxy S9. Should work the same for the S9 Plus as well, and of course S8 and S8 Plus, pretty much the same thing as long as it's using Android Oreo. Let's go ahead and do this, and basically what we want to do is first get the i11s here into pairing mode, and to do this, of course assuming that the earbuds are actually charged. And then we're going to simply remove one at a time. So we'll remove the first one here. You'll notice the blinking lights here, which is the pairing mode. And then we'll remove the second one. So we're going to remove one at a time. And basically what this does for you is automatically sync both of them together. You'll notice one will stop blinking in a moment here. Okay, so it connected to the host earbuds, which is the right side. Okay, and then once it has gotten to that part here, then you will go into the settings here of our Samsung phone. We'll go to settings. Give me a second here with the adjustment. So we'll go to settings, and then we'll go to where it says connections, and then we'll go to Bluetooth, and then we'll go to where it says the off, and we'll turn it on, and then it'll start searching for nearby devices once you power it on. Of course, you'll see under available devices i11. Now if you see two of them, then that means they have not synced to each other, so you're gonna have to turn them off and try that again. So of course, once you see just one, tap on it, I'll say pairing, and just wait for them to fully connect. It'll take a few seconds. And right now it's acting a bit slow. Usually it would pair right away. Okay, so it has a connection here. Let's tap on that one more time. There you go. Okay, so of course it's going to require more than one try now and then. So that's it, guys. You got it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.